guys have missed the previous videos, we got these headlights installed, and these are one of my favorite mods that I've done to the car. The blacked out headlights with the boomerangs just look perfect. And also, if you guys can't tell, the windshield is tinted. We did that in the last video, so if you guys haven't seen that video, go ahead and check that video out. I did say I will add some clips of nighttime driving with the windshield tint in today's video since I didn't add it in the last video. So here are the clips. Alright, so right here are the 50% tints in the nighttime. I said I will include it in today's video, so that's what I'm doing right now. I didn't get any nighttime clips in the last video. The windshield is a little bit dirty, that's why some things are like hazy and fogging up. But over here are the 5s, right here is the 50. Wow, look how dirty the car is right now. It doesn't show up on camera really well, but there is a lot of dirt on the paint and on the wheels. Okay, so we finally went ahead and finished up washing the car, and I wanted to go ahead and park the FRS inside the garage before the weather switches up on me and started to rain, because if that happens, then pretty much all the effort I put into washing this car would be ruined. And tomorrow there is a 30 to 40% chance of rain, so if it rains tomorrow, a couple of things may go bad. Number one, the wash that I just did would probably just be ruined. Hosting my very own first meet tomorrow, so if it rains, that probably would be a problem as well. And I'll go ahead and talk about how I went ahead and put this meet together and everything tomorrow morning when I pick up the camera. But yeah, the meet is tomorrow and I'm very, very nervous. Now in today's video, we're actually going to an FRS BRZ 86 car meet, and the car meet is actually the car meet that I'm hosting. So I'm hosting this car meet and I'm really nervous and excited to see how it turns out. Now, one of the major things that has ruined this car meet, or has put this car meet to aside, is the fact that it is raining outside. A lot of people said they don't want to come out because it is raining, and that's totally fine. I understand that some people don't want to drive their car in the rain, but because it's my meet, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna be heading out. Honestly, I probably expecting 10 to 15 people to come through this car meet, and even if we get like 5 or 6, I will be happy. I just want to go out and meet you guys, see your guys' builds. But with that being said, hopefully today's video is a good video, and I will see you guys at the car meet.
When you got your car aligned, what do you do in the winter?
Yeah, what do you think about the meet so far?
Honestly, pretty good turnout. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, honestly, thought there was gonna be like 3 to 5 people, but there's.
Coming here, I thought it was like four to five people, but you know, like it was a good turnout. Good
Yeah,
turnout.
considering a lot of people left as well, so we had like those parking spots and those parking spots over there filled. At some 86s that are on the back as well, and yeah, it's a pretty good turnout for our first meet.
Pretty good.
Yeah. Okay. We're just waiting for 2 more cars. We're just gonna get food. We just came here to meet up. Yeah. So do we have like 5 minutes or?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Okay, all right, thank you. Yeah, we gotta go. Okay, so I didn't really get to record much at the meet because it was raining. I didn't really want the camera to get wet. Oh, wow. I didn't really want the camera to get wet, but right now it is 12:03. I don't know how clearly you guys can see that, but right now it's 12:03. The meet ended around 11:30ish, I want to say. We just made it home, and we are at Popeyes to get some food and call it a night. But before I go ahead and go in there and get food, I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who came out to the meet. The meet was honestly a really good meet. It was a really good park and show meet. Nothing really crazy went down. We also went ahead and did a cruise to a mall nearby. And yeah, I just really wanted to say thank you and shout out to every single person who came through.